so welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. I'm Maya, and today I'm hitting you guys up with another electronic kind of unboxing video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the 7th generation Apple iPad. The huge reason why I decided to get an iPad is for digital graphics and design, and I specifically want to use Procreate with my iPad, a very popular app. I am so excited. I've had this at my house for hours now, and you've probably clicked on this video because 1, you just want to watch it, or 2, you're probably getting an iPad and you're really excited, so like you're binging a billion videos, which I don't blame you. I do the same thing, so.
Twins.
So today I'm unboxing the rose gold 128GB Apple iPad. Let's do this. So before we get into this unboxing, make sure to subscribe so you guys can see new videos from me every week. And without further ado, let's open this up. Okay, so we're just gonna grab our handy scissors and let's chat. So the main reason why I decided to get the 7th generation out of all the iPads, you know, there's the giant iPad Pro, there's the iPad Air, there's so many, but the reason I decided to get this is because, to be honest, I did not want to spend $1,000, $2,000 on an iPad when I already have a MacBook Pro. And honestly, like I said, the purpose for my iPad is to make digital graphics and creations, not really to edit YouTube videos on it or stuff that is really harsh on your iPad, or you just need really good camera quality. No, I'm just using it to make graphics. Okay, it is time to open this up. So we're gonna open it. Here, we're gonna try and hold it here. Oh
my god! Oh my gosh!
Wow! Oh my goodness!
This is actually bigger than I thought. For some reason, even though I watched a billion videos, you know, I forget. I thought that the iPad wasn't gonna fill up the whole box, but I'm happy it does. Very nice and big. For me, this is a perfect size. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of the box. And let's get into what this includes. Wow, oh my god, this is literally a perfect size.
It's like, I'm so happy.
So I forgot to mention earlier in this video, I've never owned a rose gold Apple product, and this is such a beautiful color. Something new, something different. I own like black, space gray, boring colors. But now I got some rose gold to spice it up. Like always in unboxing videos, you know, you gotta save the best for last. So we got our little manual here. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm just assuming there's stickers and stuff, so put that to the side. And we've also got these chargers and, you know, the box. Precious. Okay, it is the exciting part, and it is time for us to open up this bad boy. Like last time, I think we should do a little countdown before we hit the music. 3, 2, 1, go! The plastic is gone. It's gone. Oh my god. Okay, this is what it looks like. And so we've got the volume buttons on the right side and the power on and off button on the top. We've got speakers at the bottom, our charger cable. Oh my god. It's on. Like this. Hello, press home to open. Okay, so something I also wanted to mention is when I was looking to get an iPad, I was debating whether I wanted to get a 32GB or a 128GB iPad. Obviously, if you get 32GB, it's much cheaper than the 128GB. And I was just thinking, like, do I really need 128GB if I'm only gonna use it for the sake of editing thumbnails and making graphics? But just to be safe, I don't know how long I will be using this iPad for. I could be using it for school, YouTube, like I said, and just other stuff, and I don't want to be worried about not having enough space, so I played it safe and got the 128GB. But I do think you could get away with using 32GB with Procreate, and if you're just doing digital work on your iPad. But if you're using it for like school and stuff, I definitely recommend getting a larger size gigabyte amount for your iPad. So right now I'm just logging in and everything like that. Oh, set up bring your iPhone to the screen. Okay, we're gonna do that. Or we could just set up manually. Waiting for iPhone. Position this image in the frame of your phone. Okay, there we go. That was like 1 second and it already connected. Fridgy widgy. Like in my iPhone video, if you guys haven't already checked out that video, I'll put it somewhere on the screen here. I think it's over here if I am correct. And I'll also link it down in the description box below so you guys can watch that video after this one if you'd like. But I always get scared when it sends it to my phone. You know what I'm saying? I'm so hungry. So with most iPad unboxings, this is just what I've noticed. A lot of people get an Apple Pencil with their iPad as well. I did not. Yeah, well, actually, I did get an Apple Pen with accessories because my parents were so kind to get me that kind of stuff. So you guys will see me unbox that really soon in this video. I also need to get a case for my iPad, so we'll worry about that when, well, I need a case for my iPad. But you know what? It's fine. Well, welcome to iPad. Yes, guys, we're in. Oh my gosh. And now I'm kind of just playing around with some of the features on it, like the camera. I'm gonna be downloading Procreate, so I'm so excited for that. Okay guys, so as explained in the last clip, I was not expecting to order an Apple Pencil, but I did. And along with that, I ordered some accessories like cases and other stuff. I will be linking everything in the description box, so if you're interested in anything I got, it will be down there. Along with my Redbubble account. I just made a Redbubble account recently, so it's not the best right now, but if you guys want to check it out or follow it, you can do so. And without further ado, let's just open this stuff up. Okay guys, it's time to open this up, so let's do it. I already pre-cut everything because I just don't really want to be struggling opening this. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is my iPad case. So I decided to get this light pink color since my iPad was rose gold, and because I love pink, so I'm so excited. It feels really nice and it looks so cute. There also happens to be a kickstand on the back of it, so you know, I can just binge watch a bunch of YouTube. Next item. Okay, so the next thing here is my Apple Pencil silicone case. I got this cute pink color, and again, I will show you guys everything once I get it out of the packaging. And the last accessory are these rubber tips for my Apple Pen so it doesn't wear out, and also so it's smoother to write. And I just realized that this big box is not related to this video. It's actually a book I got, but I'll just show you guys really quickly. So if you guys don't already know this book is called Atomic Habits by James Clear. I have been hearing so many good reviews about this book, and I love reading books like this, just, you know, teaching you about life lessons and how to incorporate them into your everyday lives. So I was really excited and I decided to get this, but besides that, let's just focus back onto the Apple accessories. Okay, so first I'm gonna open up these rubber tips that I got. Yay! Cute. Oh my god, it comes with way more than 3. What? Wait, I only ordered 3, but it came with like way more. Happy. Cute. Okay. I only ordered 3. Or at least I thought I only ordered 3. Let's take these out. Oh, they're kind of stuck. There we are. Wow, this is gonna last me forever. Okay, so we've got a bunch of these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, that's awesome. Maybe I read it wrong, but I thought I only ordered 3, but now I have 10. So that's gonna be super cool. They're just little rubber tips, and they come in this cute like lab bottle. I don't really know. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. Hopefully, I don't know if it will stay, so I'm gonna put it like that. Next onto, okay, when I saw this case, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. You guys, I love pink, and I'm pretty sure this comes in different shades of pink. This is my Apple Pencil pen case, silicone case, yeah. But I'm so excited. Ooh, wipes. That's awesome. Let's see if it Yes, it is how it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's just a rubber silicone case for my pencil. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cute and it feels so nice. Oh my god, I love this. Wow. I can't wait till I get my pencil because for now it's just like and lastly, onto the iPad case. So, ooh, feels nice. Hear that sound? Like a soft rubber, which I love because then it won't slide when it's on your desk. Like this. Okay, I don't know if this is just me, but I just feel like such a little kid having an iPad. I don't know why, but I do. Wow, it does actually look really good with the rose gold. I was kind of scared it was gonna look weird, but I think it looks great, and wow. And you got your cute little spot where your charger goes. You can just, oh my god, this is so cute. That is the iPad case for you guys. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for this little segment of the video. Next segment, I will have my Apple Pencil with me. I'm so excited for it to come. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so it is a lot later since I filmed the second segment of my iPad unboxing video, and we are into the third segment. And as you guys just saw, I did a very cheesy clip of me quickly taking the plastic off of my Apple Pen. I couldn't really do an in-depth one because that day I was pretty busy and I was just so excited. I really wanted to open it up, but it is a week later, and can I just say, like, I love my iPad. I use it so much. I love the case, I love the pencil, I love the tips, everything. It's just so cute, and I love using it so much. So this being kind of like a week update, I have had no problems with my iPad whatsoever. I absolutely love the Apple Pencil. I would recommend actually getting some of the tips for your Apple Pencil, as I feel like it's kind of hard, but with the rubber it's really smooth and soft and makes your writing experience a lot better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are getting an iPad too, or an Apple Pencil or anything, it is so exciting. And let me just tell you, keep being excited, keep binging videos, because it's gonna be all worth it once your iPad comes and you got it to yourself and you're all excited. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys like my video and want to see more things like this. Make sure to subscribe so you guys can see videos from me every week. I'm currently posting twice a week, every Thursday and Sunday at 10 a.m. And if you guys have stayed this far in the video, comment the unicorn emoji right here. You guys are troopers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!